Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best ratchet straps on Amazon. Ratchet straps are a great way to make sure your gear stays where you put something. Depending on your application, you may need an axle strap or an extra long ratchet strap to handle a large load. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Vulcan Axle Tie-Down Ratchets. Even if you've got the best trailer in the world to transport a car, you'll want to secure it to the trailer with axle ratchet straps. The car's emergency brake and transmission will do their best to hold it in place on a trailer, but the bouncing motion and movement of the rig on the road mean that you'll want to crank it down to keep it on board. The Vulcan axle tie-down straps work well for these applications because of their clever design that allows the straps to be fed through wheels and into tight spots so that your car is secure, no matter how much bodywork or low ground clearance get in the way. They are great for hauling almost any vehicle, including a car, truck, ATV, or UTV. What we like about it: designed for use in tight spots. Rated for a wide variety of vehicles. Reasonably priced. What we don't like about it: clips can fail sooner than expected. Some report the straps fraying more quickly than expected. Can be confusing to unbox and install. Number 2. Keeper 2-inch Yellow Cargo Straps. There are incredible numbers, especially for a strap with the length and quality hardware that Keeper's does. Despite that length and strength, Keeper's strap weighs in at just 4.89 pounds. Its J-hooks securely fasten the strap to almost any vehicle with ease. There are some issues, however, as some have reported that the yellow dye can bleed off the strap and that the cam doesn't release as smoothly as necessary. Also, some have taken issue with the hook being too short and hard to attach. What we like about it: extra long for larger cargo. Easy to grip and use hardware. Extreme weight handling limits. What we don't like about it: some report yellow dye bleeding off the strap. Doesn't release as smoothly as expected. Some complain that the hook shape is too short and hard to attach. Number 3. Aerofast Jet Ski Ratchet Straps. Water toys, such as jet skis, have different needs than motorcycles, therefore, you will need different ratchet straps than those you would use for motorcycles. Aerofast Jet Ski Ratchet Straps are UV and water resistant and also have an extra hook to secure the 2 tie-downs used for jet skis. With plastic-coated cams for ease of use when wet and a 12-foot length, these straps are perfect for getting your gear to a boat ramp. What we like about it: extra hook ensures that you can use all of a jet ski's tie-downs to secure the watercraft to a trailer and avoid movement on the road. Plastic-coated cam handles are less slippery in water than uncoated metal handles. UV and water-resistant webbing better suited for use with watercraft than automotive and general-purpose ratchet straps. What we don't like about it: the 1,800-pound braking limit is too light to be used with boats. 12-foot length can be too short for some water toys. Only a single ratchet strap in this set. Number 4. Rhino USA Ratchet Straps Motorcycle Tie-Down Kit. Rhino USA's Ratchet Straps Motorcycle Tie-Down Kit includes 2 sets of ratchet straps and 2 soft loop tie-downs, and each has an impressive maximum braking weight of 5,208 pounds. Now, that doesn't mean you can secure a 5,208-pound load, but rather that value of force generated by the mass of your cargo would cause the straps to fail. What we like about it: includes loops that can be used to help avoid scratching items that are tied down. High braking weight limit. What we don't like about it: webbing is too small to secure larger loads. Optimum operating weight limit is unknown. Number 5. Stanley Black Yellow Ratchet Tie-Down Straps Light Cargo Hauling. Filling a roof rack full of bags for a college student or a family road trip does not require the strongest ratchet strap on the market, it just requires a bunch of ratchet straps to secure the various suitcases and duffel bags that you need to make sure are still there when you arrive at your destination. What we like about it: with 8 straps, this set is able to secure a large number of items, whether camping gear, luggage, firewood, or other materials. What we don't like about it: The 500-pound load limit is too small for most motorized vehicles. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.